This question looks complicated because of the length, but it is simple. So let me know, can you solve this? You can pause this video and try it and put your answer in the comment, then play it and watch if you will get it. So how do we solve this question? We are to use the PEMDAS rule. That is, we are to solve what we have in the parentheses, the bracket, before exponent, then multiplication and division, you solve from left to right, then addition and subtraction, you also solve from left to right. So let's start with the parentheses. This is what we have in the parentheses. So let's start. For parentheses also, you can see that we have an exponent in the parentheses. So we start from there. So that means what we have here, this becomes 20 divided by 2 squared. That's 4. So we have 20 divided by 4, then times 5, and then divided by 5. So now let's take it one after the other. This is where most people get it wrong and they make mistakes. So because the rule says PEMDAS, and so they tend to multiply before they divide. And so they do something like they just multiply before they divide, and that is wrong. So when you're solving PEMDAS, you solve from left to right. So sometimes some people might say this is 5 times 1 and they get 5, but that is wrong. That is wrong because there is no bracket. We do not have any bracket. We do not have something like this here. Assuming we have something like this, then we can use that method. But we do not have anything like this here. So we have to solve from left to right every time you see division and multiplication. Solve from left to right. So now let's solve from left to right. We have 20 divided by 4. This becomes 5. So this becomes 5 times 5, then divided by 5. Don't forget, we are solving from left to right. 5 times 5, this gives 25, then 25 divided by 5. Now we are left with just one division, and this will be 5. So now that we've simplified everything we have in this bracket to be 5, now the expression becomes -10, then divided by 5, then we have times 8, and then -2. Can you see that it has been simplified? But even at that, people still make mistakes by multiplying first, and they have something like -10 divided by 40 minus 2. This is wrong. As I said earlier, whenever you have multiplication and division in the same question, make sure you divide, I mean, make sure you solve from left to right. So now let's solve from left to right. That means we will be dividing before we multiply, since division appears before multiplication. So that means we have 10 divided by 5. So this will become -2, then times 8, then -2. The next thing is to multiply. So we have 2 times 8, and this is 16. So we have -16 and then -2. Now it has been simplified. -16 minus 2, this becomes -18. And this is the correct answer. So let me know in the comments, did you get -18? Or did you make mistake at any point? If you did, then go through it again and see what we did that made us get -18, because that is the correct answer. So let me know, did you solve from left to right or did you make a mistake? I'll see you in the next one.